Greetings, everyone, and welcome to the November Animal Reiki Circle. I see that some of you on this call, you are seasoned ARC members, you already know what we do, and some of you are new here today, so welcome to ARC, and I hope you like today's practice and enjoy the experience of sharing Reiki. So I wanted to start today by sharing a quote. This is by Kathleen Prasad. Kathleen is the founder of the Let Animals Lead method of Animal Reiki. It's a wonderful way of practicing Animal Reiki, and I highly recommend studying the Let Animals Lead method if you don't already know that. So Kathleen says, by simply relaxing, being quiet, breathing, and having a heartfelt intention to help another being, you create a sacred space. In this space, all things are possible. It's a beautiful quote. And this is what we are going to do today. We are going to just breathe and have that intention to help another being. And by doing so, we will create this sacred space. So the practice that we will be doing today is one of the core practices from Animal Reiki. And if you are new, do not worry, just follow along with the instructions. So I'm going to start by first sharing the list of requests which have come. It just makes it easier to follow along when we get to that part of the practice. So these are the requests for today. We have Kel, a cat who is compulsively grooming. We have Lexi, an English bulldog for good health and well-being. Ryder, a Doberman for good health and well-being. Willow, a golden retriever, and Babs, a cat. And we have all the senior dogs at Cupa's Geriatric Center. So Cupa is a shelter in Bangalore, and they have a special center for all the senior dogs. All right, so if you're ready, we will start the practice. Now, for this practice, please make sure that you are sitting straight, back straight, feet either cross-legged or touching the ground. And with as minimal distractions as possible. Please do not be driving for this. If you're driving or involved in any other activity, please do not follow along. You can reach out to me for the recording later on. Okay, so let's just take a few deep breaths, close our eyes. And just tune into your breath. Feel the breath inside your body. Breathe in. And as you breathe out, just let go of anything that is holding you back from being present. Any tension, worry, stress, anything else. Just become very, very aware of your breath. As you breathe next, breathe into your lower abdomen, just a few inches below the navel. That lower abdomen is that point. That point is the seat of your power. So if you want, you can place your palms on that point in your lower abdomen. And as you breathe in, you feel the breath going into your lower abdomen. And you feel it expand. And breathe out slowly and gently. Once more, breathe in. Deep breath through your nose and into your lower belly. Feel the lower belly expand with that clear, vibrant air. And breathe out slowly, gently through your nose. Once more, breathe in. Feel the breath in your lower abdomen. clear, vibrant energy. Breathe out slowly, very gently. Once more, breathe in. Feel your lower belly expand. And breathe out slowly, softly, and gently. Continue breathing. Once more, breathing. Begin through your nose. Feel the breath in your lower abdomen. Now feel that clear, vibrant energy. And feel that that breath is slowly filling up each and every cell of your body. It expands from the point in your lower abdomen in all directions. And you are now filled with that vibrant energy. Breathe out slowly, softly, and gently. Once more, breathe in. Feel the breath filling up each and every cell of your body. You feel nurtured, you feel nourished, and you feel loved. And breathe out slowly, softly, and gently. Once more, breathe in and feel the breath in your lower abdomen. Feel the breath expanding, filling up each and every cell of your body. And this time, as you breathe out, visualize that clear, vibrant energy radiating out from each and every cell of your body out in all directions. Breathe in, hold, and breathe out, and you feel that energy all around you, clear, vibrant. This today is our sacred healing space. And we start today's circle by first and foremost offering this space of unconditional love and support and healing to our own selves. As we feel ourselves filling up with this clear, vibrant energy, feeling loved and nourished and nurtured. Just continue breathing. And next, we invite our own animal companions, the ones who show up for us every day, the ones who are with us. And we invite them into this sacred space. Remember that animals have the right to choose how they want to participate. And know that it is always for their highest healing good. We honor their choices and we respect them. They may be physically with you right now, or they may not be. In either ways, it doesn't matter. We offer the space and we just hold them in our hearts. At this point, if you are a Reiki practitioner, you may draw the symbols or just continue breathing and you Hold the intention that this energy and the space is available for your animals and they can participate in whatever way they choose to. Just continue breathing. And next, we invite into the circle all those who have requested for inclusion in the circle today. So once again, we have Cal, a cat for compulsive grooming, Lexi, a bulldog, Ryder, a Doberman, Willow, a golden retriever, Babs, a cat, and all the senior dogs at Cuba's Geriatric Center. We hold them in our hearts and we offer them the space of unconditional love and healing in whatever way they choose. Continue breathing. Slowly end with the precepts. Remember the precepts just for today. I will not be angry. Just for today, I will not worry. Just for today, I will be grateful. Just for today, I will be honest in my work. And just for today, I will be compassionate towards myself and others. With gratitude in our hearts, we thank everyone who joined the circle today. Thank them. Let them go. Once again, become aware of your breathing. With your feet on the ground, with your fingers, your toes. And once you feel complete, you may open your eyes. Well, thank you everyone for joining this call today. December's Animal Reiki Circle is going to be themed around entering the space of silence. That's sacred silence and a sacred space which is beyond space and time. So I hope you can join us again in December. And until then, this is me, Idee, signing. Goodbye and have a lovely November.